friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine and good. Welcome all of you in my channel Plants Corner. My today's video is about I will learn you today how to make a jade plant tree. Here you can see this is a lovely jade plant, but if you want to make it and turn into jade plant, what to do? So let's start. First of all, for the purpose of making jade plant tree, we search a branch which is look like jade plant tree. So here you can see this is full of so many branches. This is good for the jade plant tree because its shape is straight, not turning here and there like this. So we cut it off from here. And we also remove its leaves like this. Now you can see it. Its bottom part is free of leaves. Now we prepared a pot for it. Now this is ready. Take it. Now you can see this is look like a little tree. So in this way you can also make a tree with jade plant. I hope you like it. If you like it, must share it and subscribe it. See you again with another useful and informative content. Goodbye. Stay safe and blessed.